Alright, we tested out how the cross-sectional area of Plato is going to affect its resistance. To find the data, we needed to find the area of the cross-sectional area of the Plato, we needed to find its length, we needed to find the current that went through it, and we needed to find the voltage that went through it. Length and area were pretty easy. Take a ruler, measure it, measure length, width like that, multiply, get the area, length, and just measuring. Voltage and current, a little more complicated. To find current, you needed to stick the two little bits of the multimeter into the end of the Plato. You needed to hook up a battery to two alligator clips. You need to put the alligator clips into the side of the Plato. And over here, on your multimeter, you would get a number. This number would be the voltage that was going through the Plato. It changes a little bit because the Plato heats up as it goes and electricity changes depending on temperature. To get current for all of this, you need to still have your battery. You need to plug a wire into the side of it. You need another wire. You need to plug a wire into your multimeter. And then the multimeter needs to go into here. And then you need to plug the other end of the multimeter directly to the wire. And that will get you another number, which should be significant as soon as you flip it over to the right side. You should get a number.
It's supposed to work.
It's supposed to work. And then, as soon as you compile all those numbers, you test 4 different sizes, you can find resistance of the Plato.
And then you want to pause? Okay. So these are the results for each test. Obviously, the area changed in each test as we went on. So we kept the same length, which was 3 centimeters. We did the math for it. So for the first test, we ended up with a resistance of 0.015 amps. And as we added area, or whatever you'd want to say, to that, you could see that the resistance got smaller as we went along. So each time, well, for the most part it did. For the last test, it kind of got a little bigger, but yeah. I don't really know what else I'm supposed to say, but as the area increased, the resistance, for the most part, decreased.